real long. It's super lightweight. Like I'm telling you, I'm not sure what type of hair they used, but it's a very, 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 very lightweight. Like it feels like a sponge. I feel like it's Christmas. Okay, here's my wig. A melt band, another melt band. Okay, a hanger to hang it up in my closet. Is that what you meant as well? Her wig cap, a cute little necklace. It says I love you on it. And then they also sent me 2 dome caps. Let's see what she's giving. A full lace wig at that. Lace all throughout. It does have an elastic band. You have some combs. The braids are really soft. Like it doesn't feel like regular braiding hair. This hair is really, really soft, like spongy almost. I'm using this holding spray here. That's by Bedhead. It's my first time trying it, so let's give it a shot. All right, so enjoy the vibe. I'm just gonna cut my lace and then apply my holding spray. Now I will say that I'm leaving some extra lace here. It's about that much extra lace. We'll have to pluck some of these edges out. Hold on, let me put on my little necklace. Okay, necklace on. Cute. I'll start from the side. So let's pluck some of this first. Take my little razor comb and take a little bit of that off. I'm going to use this gel, this Gorilla Snot, that does not have alcohol. Since I sprayed it with that hairspray, I don't want it to come up. I'm gonna go in with my makeup brush and just get that little ashy hue from my hairline. All right, so this is a cute little half up, half down. Okay, see it comes to about here. real long. It's super lightweight. Like I'm telling you, I'm not sure what type of hair they used, but it's a very, 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 very lightweight. Like it feels like a sponge. The hair is like spongy. It's so light. Imagine a sponge. Sponges are very light. That's what it's reminding me of. Like a sponge. Look at the ends. It's like a jet black color. Alright, so let's see how she looked down. Y'all, and it's so light. I don't think I've ever had a braided wig this light. That's a good thing. Bust down middle part, always gonna be. This is a full lace unit, braids all throughout. That's all for this video. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this look here, and click the link so you go get yours.